Hello again, teachers. This is Ms. Trim here to share with you how to recreate your new Google Classrooms that will be in G Suites using G Suite Education. From now on, you will have access to all the Google Education apps. You just need to inform your EduTech trainer if there's a particular app that you'd like to use and you're not able to see it on your display. Inform us and we will be sure to upload or activate that app for you. But I'm excited about this new journey and I hope you will be too. Now here goes how to recreate your new Google Classrooms. Now that you've already signed into your new stmartinacademy.com email, you proceed to the far left, select the tiles, which are the apps, all of the Google apps. You click on that, and then here, there's Google Classroom. So you select Google Classroom, and you will see that I've already created my drama classes. Now you need to recreate your classes. Connect by clicking on the plus sign, which will allow you to add or join a class. So I want to create, as a teacher, I want to create a class, so I select create a class. And now I will section English department, subject English A. Right, and there you have it. It's creating. And voila, you have your new Google Classroom, and you will see all of your classes when you click on Home for Classes. And be sure to take care of your settings. That's your settings tab. There's the invite code. You can choose to email the link to your class, or you can send the code to your class. This allows you to see any items that students may have deleted if they posted a comment on your page. And here, you're now connected to Google Meet. In the event you're unable to connect to Zoom, or for whatever reason Zoom isn't working well for you, or you'd like to have a continuous meeting without the 40-minute interruption or the 40-minute limitation, you can generate the Google Meet link and students will be able to see it on the classroom page, and you can also share the link with them if you decide on using Google Meet as an option. Now disregard this section with the grading until the EduTech team syncs Google Classroom with Quick Schools. We will not be using this section. At this point in time, Quick Schools controls our grading, but Quick Schools is now being synchronized with Google Classroom. So when we are completed with that, then we will let you know how to do it. So that's it for teachers. You follow the same procedures and you ensure you click save and you recreate your classes, share the code with your students, or you can opt to add their email addresses by adding you can copy and paste the emails and send out a mass invitation to them, and they will click on the link and they will be able to enter the classroom or add themselves to the classroom. Or you can copy the link here and email the link to your students, and that will allow them to join your class. Have a great day. Hope this helps you with your new setting up of your G Suite Education classrooms. Enjoy!